So there's all the tourists over that way there. So what I'm gonna do is go this way. It says don't climb, but I wanna see up there. How do you get up there? So this is the center of Angkor Wat. It's still in good condition. You can see it's had a lot of work done. But this is Angkor Wat. It's nice. It's interesting. That's why everyone's on the other side, because this side is being refurbished. Wow. So it's still history in the making, and it's going to preserve it for another 150 years maybe. So it's needed, definitely. So yeah, it's nice. I smell some herbs now. Like, not herbs, I mean like incense and stuff. So where does this lead to? See, there's people out there. Maybe we should go and have a look out there and see what's going on. Let's go and see there. Or should we go this way? Oh, I'm sick of doing that. Let's go this way. No entryway there. What's outside this way? This is where it's going to be more shady, so I'm going to go around there in a bit to shade out. But saying that, I still want to look in that building over there, so let's go this way. But like, nothing's not planned with what I'm doing here, so whatever we see or whatever happens, it's all organic, you know. Look, we've got some Buddhas here. And I'm asking myself, why are some of the heads missing? Is it a disrespectful thing that's been done, or was it, the weather or something? There's all these people. And there's all these people here. Like, I never even thought to dress up. I didn't know people. Like, what is this, man? This pit's a bit real. This reminds me of. This looks like a ring. Obviously, like, there must have been a throne up there. Like, the way they got them steps there. Like, you don't know who's watching in these alleys. You know what I mean? Like, this is a very special place. I know, like, I'm not saying there were bloodbaths. I'm not saying there were, like, I don't know what there was, but these are something special. There's another one over there, and like, I think there's a four of them. I've seen a bit about this. Isn't this where this was wasn't this a Turkish bath or like a place where they used to do a lot of debauchery and stuff like that. Now it's coming back to me what I've heard about here. And people would be watching, like, lots of like bad things have happened within the pools where you could overhear people making meetings of war, death. This is just what I heard. It might not be true what I know. This was just on YouTube when I was doing my research before, but now I'm here. It's coming back to me what I heard. I mean, like, look at this picture up here. This woman got her legs open, right? And there's a load of men clapping. I'll take a picture of that, I'm sure it is. So, yeah. Like, I don't want to say it, but like, the women are like, kind of in a way where they got their legs open, sort of thing. So it makes them look a bit, you know what I mean, like promiscuous. I hate saying things like that. There's a lot of detail here. There's a lot of tourists here too. Hella tourists, hella tourists. Like, I'm not enjoying this as much as probably it's good for my content, you know. But for me, it's alright. It's alright. But this is like, as I said, this is the center, so this is where you get the most gathering of people because everyone wants to know what's in the middle. So we're here now. I get it. I understand what it was. I think it's time to move on. Another thing, right? I don't know if I need a whole day here. Like it's open till 6, but I don't know if I need to be here till 6. Like, I get the gist of it. I'm by myself. Why do I need to be here all day? I don't know. I don't think I need to be here all day. Oh, here's another one of them buildings. It's just a lot to look at. It's do you wanna see it all? Is another thing, but there's a lot to look at. I'm glad I came to this one over going to any of the other ones. I think that's a waste of money because this is the one, isn't it? So going to them other ones, they've sold you that off the back of this. You wouldn't pay to go to them ones. You pay to go to this one. Like most of the people that are here are not gonna go to the other temples. I've been to some of the other temples, and if this one's not wowing me or you, this is the best of the best, isn't it? How's the other one's gonna wow you if you're not enjoying this? So. I can cross this off my bucket list, you know, I can say I've done it, but the thought of what I was going to do here and how it was going to be was like a lot more fun than actually being here, if I'm honest. Like, I can go, wow, look at this and wow, but I've seen it all, like statues before and ruins and that. It's about good company coming here and having a good start to the day, and without that combination, like I supposed to have a good time here. So I'm not having the best time, but I appreciate everything, and I'm sorry that I feel like I'm a bit down like this because it's ruining the video for you guys as well. But in my heart, I understand and I'm enjoying it, but I'm just peeved at how the day started, man, and I can't get over it.